Well, hi guys, today gonna show you how to wash your car wheels, alloys or hubcaps, doesn't matter, similar process. So what do you need for this? You need a good wheel cleaner, spray cleaner. I usually use some different types of sponge. Rubber gloves is a good idea if you want to keep your nails clean, or your nails can get really dirty, especially around the edges. Okay, and then if you want to add a little bit of extra touch, then some wet look tire shine. That's about it. You could have other things like a brush, and if you got really small spokes, maybe even an old toothbrush. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Obviously you need water and you need a hose, and if you got jet wash, even better. With a hose, first you want to rinse it and then get most of the grime off with a strong jet spray. Okay, so let's go ahead and turn the hose on. So we're gonna give it a good rinse. See all that black brake dust and stuff coming off? Then we are going to turn the spray to really strong and just gonna get in. Can you see all that black stuff coming off? Give it either spray all the way up there. Give it a good clean. What this does is loosens the grime and gets rid of the excess dirt. Next, spray. Leave this spray on for a couple of minutes to work on. Really work, make sure it's covered everywhere. I find the front wheels I have to do it twice, clean them twice. The back wheels, because it's drum brakes, doesn't need one clean, does it? And they don't get as dirty. Work your way around the car. And then there's the front one. Obviously this is a quick clean, regular clean. If you really wanted to go even thorough, you can actually take the wheel off and clean the inside. So using the coarse part of the brush, just clean, cover everything and scrub. If it starts to dry up, use a little bit of water to keep everything wet. So work your way around, and like I said, this front wheels I always find I have to clean it once, give it a rinse, and then spray again and clean it again, and it comes up really nice. So I'll go ahead and do that. Now if you really wanted to, I do have a brush that goes in there and cleans the inside, but I seem to have misplaced my brush and I can't find it. So today I'm just going to show you there. So now I'm going to give it a quick rinse, and if you have a brush, your brush goes in and you can clean in there like that. You won't be able to get all of it, but most of it will come off. Alright, so we're going to work. Obviously the ultimate way to clean it is take the wheel off, but we can't always do that, can we? We need a jack and other stuff. So I'll give it a quick rinse. So all that stuff coming off, and then I'll give this wheel another clean. Okay, so just keep working away. So time to give these a second clean, because these were particularly dirty. Won't need that much spray this time. So just using the sponge side, give it a clean. Don't forget to give the sides of the wall of the tires a clean as well, because they get dirty and pick up grime as well. Then give it a rinse and it looks like this. There we are. How clean and nice is that? Make sure you get all the soap and detergent off. Now this final thing you want to do is, if you want to get the wet look and really give your tires a nice wash clean look, is use a wet look tire shine. So you're just going to get it on the tires outside. In the car cleaning places they'll use a brush. I like to use a sponge, and I store my sponge in this plastic bag. Now be very careful when you put this on. You're trying to avoid the brake disc and brake calipers and brake pads, because this is oil based and you don't want to get it on there, or it's going to affect your braking. What I like to do is I spray the sponge, and then using the sponge I just wipe on the outside. You want to make sure your tires is not soaking wet, and just work your way around. That's it. And then when it dries, it's going to have a lovely wet look. Obviously if it was a sunny day, you can do this also on dry tires as well, but you don't really need your tires to be fully dry to do this. Okay, just make sure it's not dripping wet. At the moment it looks like soap, no problem. I'm going to give you a little bit more and just give you a wipe. I'll show you the end result in a moment. Okay, so just work your way around. Once finished guys, that's how your tire looks. Lovely, shiny, beautiful. Now really important to remember, when you first take the car out, the brakes are not going to be as sharp. So make sure, this is called drying your brakes. You see there's a film developed here. So you want to brake lots in a nice quiet area, slow speed. And then your brake, once you get rid of that residue on the brake disc and brake pads, your brake will be back to normal. Okay, so take care. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment if you can. That's how I wash my wheels for a quick clean, front and back. Lovely. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on another video real soon. Bye for now.